Tel Aviv is a vibrant, cosmopolitan city located on Israel's Mediterranean coastline. Known for its stunning beaches, bustling nightlife, and rich cultural scene, it is a hub of innovation and creativity. Tel Aviv blends modernity with history, featuring sleek skyscrapers alongside Bauhaus architecture, which earned it the nickname the White City. As a global tech center, it's home to numerous startups. The city's diverse food, art, and dynamic energy make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and excitement. The air hums with a unique energy, a blend of cultures and dreams. Imagine strolling along sandy beaches, the warm breeze whispering tales of the sea. Picture bustling markets bursting with colorful spices and fresh produce. Envision sleek skyscrapers rising above Bauhaus architecture, a testament to the city's ever-evolving spirit. Tel Aviv invites you to explore its hidden alleys, sun-drenched squares, and vibrant art scene. This is a city that never sleeps, a place where the past and present dance together in perfect harmony. Come, discover the magic of Tel Aviv. Our journey begins high above the city. Imagine yourself soaring in a hot air balloon. The gentle breeze carries you over Tel Aviv's iconic skyline. Below, the cityscape unfolds like a colorful tapestry. Have a look at the Azrieli Center piercing the sky. Its three towers, each a unique architectural marvel, stand as symbols of Tel Aviv's ambition. The Mediterranean Sea shimmers in the distance, its azure waters meeting the golden beaches. From this vantage point, Tel Aviv's beauty is undeniable, a vibrant combination of old and new, tradition and innovation. We descend now, our journey taking us back in time. Jaffa, one of the oldest port cities in the world, welcomes us with open arms. Its ancient stone buildings and narrow, winding alleyways whisper stories of centuries past. Explore the Jaffa Flea Market, a treasure trove of antiques, jewelry, and local crafts. Lose yourself in the ambient streets, where the aroma of freshly baked pita bread fills the air. As the sun sets, the ancient port comes alive with the sounds of live music and laughter. Next, we wander into Neve, Tzedek, Tel Aviv's first neighborhood. Charming cafes and art galleries line the streets, their pastel-colored facades a testament to the neighborhood's vibrant spirit. Here, time seems to slow down, inviting you to savor the simple pleasures of life. Dizengoff Square is one of Tel Aviv's most iconic landmarks, known for its vibrant atmosphere and unique architecture. This bustling square features a beautiful fountain, lively cafes, and a variety of shops. It's a perfect spot to experience the city's dynamic energy and charm. Explore the serene beauty of Yarkon River, a tranquil oasis in the bustling city of Tel Aviv. Nestled amidst the urban landscape, Yarkon River offers a refreshing escape into nature. The lush greenery and peaceful waters create an idyllic setting for a moment of calm and reflection. As you stroll along the river banks, you'll encounter a variety of recreational activities, from kayaking on the gentle waters to cycling along scenic trails. There's something for every nature lover. Just a short drive from Tel Aviv, explore the wild side at Safari Ramat Gan. This expansive safari park is home to the largest collection of wildlife in the Middle East. As you journey through the park, you'll encounter majestic lions, towering giraffes, and playful elephants, all in their natural habitats. The serene landscapes of Safari Ramat Gan provide a perfect backdrop for an unforgettable adventure. This safari park offers a glimpse into the wonders of nature right on the outskirts of the bustling city. Let's unveil Tel Aviv's best tourist attractions. Tel Aviv's beauty extends far beyond its iconic landmarks. Venture off the beaten path, and you'll discover a world of hidden gems tucked away in quiet corners waiting to be explored. Step into the world of street art in Florentin. This bohemian neighborhood is an open-air gallery, its walls adorned with colorful murals and thought-provoking graffiti. Escape to the Tel Aviv Port. This revitalized waterfront promenade offers stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. Enjoy a leisurely bike ride, savor a delicious meal at a waterfront restaurant, or simply relax and soak up the atmosphere. As our journey comes to an end, one thing is clear: Tel Aviv is a majestic city. Ancient history and modern innovation coexist harmoniously. Bustling markets and serene beaches offer a respite for every soul. From the soaring skyscrapers to the ancient alleyways, Tel Aviv pulsates with a unique energy. It's a city that embraces its past while looking towards the future, a place where cultures blend and dreams take flight. So, come, experience the magic of Tel Aviv for yourself. Lose yourself in its vibrant streets, uncover its hidden treasures, and create your own unforgettable memories in this city that truly has it all.